Welcome back to Hippie Buddha's YouTube channel. What do you think about the customer's hair for today? How about it? I immediately had this thought, wow, amazing. So, this is the name of the hairstyle I choose. Balls at the end of cotton roll. Let's do it on hair. Okay, so let's make cock and balls on head while we have happy thoughts. I will now demonstrate it for you.
What happens when the one that you love is the main cause of your suffering? I need you like I need air to breathe. I need you to save me from me. I'm caught in your wave, I'm drifting away. I need you to save me. Please don't let me drown. 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 Whoa. Give me all of your lies, 'cause you're my demon in disguise. I learned to love the cage you keep me in, but the walls keep closing in, and I don't wanna die. But your poison feels so right. Why do I want you when you're bad for me? My perfect storm, my beautiful catastrophe. My perfect storm, my beautiful catastrophe. It's a toxic addiction. You're a guilty affliction. Yeah. I can't breathe. I need to get some air, but it's a toxic addiction. You're a guilty affliction. Yeah. You can't breathe and you just need some air. I came from the mud. There's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree. There's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon. They sing on a sleepless night. Try to catch me howling at the moon. Try to catch me howling at the moon. Hope they won't shoot me down soon. They sing on a sleepless night. Will you find me? Hope you find me. I'll be back home soon. When the sun rises, when the sun
If anyone would like to try doing any of my hairstyles, please feel free to comment below, or just let me know what type of hairstyle you would like to see next. For more videos like this, please hit the like and subscribe button. It will help me to keep putting out more content for you.